Real Estate Intelligence Daily, August 20th, 2026. PropTech, Finance, and Commercial Market Insights. The AI property revolution is accelerating faster than Wall Street expected. Disclaimer: news only. Not legal, financial, medical, or official advice. Anecdotal reports are not advice and should not be treated as guidance. 1. Commercial real estate finance. Billions in CRE debt are racing toward refinancing deadlines. Who wins the Great Maturity Reset? Commercial real estate finance remains one of the most closely watched sectors this week as analysts continue tracking a major wave of CMBS and commercial property loan maturities entering the market. Industry reporting highlights billions of dollars in commercial mortgages reaching maturity, creating pressure on owners of older office properties while simultaneously opening opportunities for lenders, private credit funds, and buyers seeking discounted assets. Market participants are increasingly distinguishing between premium assets and aging inventory, reinforcing the ongoing flight to quality trend that has defined recent commercial property cycles. At the same time, CBRE data indicates lending fundamentals remain relatively resilient, with loan volume, average loan size, and lender competition showing strength even while underwriting standards remain disciplined. The emerging picture is not one of systemic collapse, but rather selective repricing, where well-capitalized operators gain competitive advantages through refinancing, recapitalization, and strategic acquisitions. For investors, the key story is the redistribution of capital as distressed properties search for solutions while modern logistics facilities, data centers, and premium mixed-use assets continue attracting financing interest. Yahoo! +1. 2.
PropTech et AI Analytics.
AI is becoming the new real estate analyst, and it never sleeps. The biggest technology story in real estate continues to be the rapid deployment of AI-driven analytics platforms capable of transforming fragmented market information into actionable intelligence. Recent developments across the PropTech sector show organizations integrating AI-assisted valuation models, predictive pricing engines, automated market analysis tools, and content generation systems designed to improve decision-making speed. Industry recognition programs this month highlighted platforms using machine learning to generate comparative market analyses, dynamic pricing recommendations, and continuously updated property reports. New AI underwriting and due diligence products are also targeting commercial investors who previously relied on spreadsheets, consultants, and manual research processes. A particularly notable trend is the rise of conversational real estate intelligence systems that allow users to query neighborhood trends, zoning changes, permit activity, infrastructure development, and investment potential using natural language. The long-term implication extends beyond efficiency gains. It suggests a future where every property may effectively possess a continuously updating digital intelligence profile that evolves alongside economic, demographic, and infrastructure activity. Media. +2. 3. Construction and development tech. The data center construction boom is rewriting the future of global real estate. Construction technology and development planning are increasingly being shaped by explosive growth in AI infrastructure and data center demand. Industry forecasts indicate that developers, construction firms, and infrastructure providers are racing to solve power generation, cooling, transmission, and site selection challenges associated with next-generation computing facilities. Advanced technologies including digital twins, AI-assisted site evaluation, predictive construction planning, and intelligent energy management systems are moving from experimental deployments into mainstream project execution. Developers are paying particular attention to emerging energy solutions such as advanced cooling platforms, renewable integration, and even small modular reactor concepts as future options for supporting massive computational demand. Beyond the immediate commercial opportunity, these developments represent a broader transformation of the built environment, where physical infrastructure increasingly serves digital economies. The futuristic aspect is difficult to ignore. Many of the facilities being planned today may ultimately support autonomous systems, scientific modeling, robotics, and perhaps one day the computational backbone needed for off-world industrial activity and space-based commerce. Yet at its core, the trend remains profoundly human-focused, centered on creating infrastructure capable of supporting future innovation, productivity, education, and economic growth. BDO. Plus 2. 4. Insurance and risk management. The insurance market is softening, but hidden property risks are becoming more complex. A significant story developing across commercial real estate involves changing insurance market conditions. Reports indicate that property insurance has become more competitive, with increased capacity, broader coverage options, and improved pricing available for many well-managed real estate portfolios. However, this apparent relief comes alongside new risk concerns tied to climate exposure, severe weather events, technology-enabled buildings, and increasing property complexity. Insurance professionals continue emphasizing valuation accuracy, catastrophe modeling, and stronger risk management practices as critical priorities despite softer premium environments. Meanwhile, liability coverage remains under pressure because of ongoing litigation trends and large claim settlements affecting portions of the commercial property sector. Technology itself is emerging as a new risk category as smart buildings, automation systems, data infrastructure, and connected properties create novel exposures that traditional insurance models are still adapting to evaluate. The result is a sector becoming simultaneously more affordable in some areas while requiring significantly more sophisticated risk intelligence and operational resilience planning. Group. Plus 2. 5. Real estate investment platforms. AI-powered investment discovery could democratize institutional real estate opportunities. Real estate investment platforms continue evolving beyond simple crowdfunding marketplaces toward comprehensive intelligence ecosystems. This week's attention focused on AI-native investment technologies capable of scanning public records, government databases, permit filings, auction records, tax sale opportunities, and market signals at unprecedented scale. Several emerging platforms are positioning themselves as institutional-grade research engines that bring sophisticated underwriting capabilities to family offices, independent investors, and smaller operators. New systems are leveraging autonomous software agents to monitor thousands of potential investment opportunities continuously, surfacing properties that match predefined investment criteria. Simultaneously, digital investment marketplaces remain focused on improving transparency, accessibility, and deal discovery for investors seeking exposure to commercial and residential real estate assets. The broader trend suggests an industry moving toward always-on market intelligence, where opportunities are increasingly discovered by software before they are identified through traditional networks. As these tools mature, investors may find themselves operating in a market where competitive advantage is defined less by information access and more by judgment, execution, and strategic vision. Global Banking Ganfins. Plus 1. Video description. Welcome to Real Estate Intelligence Daily for August 20th, 2026, your deep dive briefing covering the most important developments across commercial real estate finance, PropTech and AI analytics, construction technology, insurance and risk management, and real estate investment platforms. Today, we explore the multi-billion-dollar refinancing wave reshaping commercial property markets, the rise of AI-powered underwriting and analytics, the data center-driven construction boom, evolving insurance market conditions, and next-generation investment discovery platforms. If you follow commercial real estate, REITs, PropTech, CRE finance, smart buildings, AI infrastructure, or digital investing, this daily briefing delivers the trends shaping tomorrow's property economy. Video tags. Real estate news, commercial real estate, CRE finance, PropTech, artificial intelligence, real estate AI, property technology, data centers, construction technology, digital twin, smart buildings, CMBS, commercial mortgages. Refinancing, REIT news, real estate investing, investment platforms, property insurance, risk management, real estate analytics, AI underwriting, market intelligence, crowdfunding real estate market update. CRE Daily, institutional investing, future cities. Infrastructure investing, data center development, economic trends. Base thumbnail. Headline: AI versus real estate? The industry is changing fast. Visual concept: modern city skyline, glowing AI neural network overlay, commercial office towers, data center imagery, green upward trend line, blue and gold futuristic color palette. Thumbnail A, B/C tests. Thumbnail A. Text: $5 billion warning CRE reckoning ahead. Visual: red alert graphics, skyscrapers, debt charts, dramatic market backdrop. Thumbnail B. Text: AI found the next real estate goldmine. Visual: robot analyst examining glowing property map with highlighted investment opportunities. Thumbnail C. Text: the data center land rush has started. Visual: massive hyperscale data center, power grid effects, futuristic infrastructure, bright green growth arrows. Suggested background footage rotation: 10 to 15 minutes. Drone footage of downtown commercial districts, trading floors and financial data screens, AI dashboards and analytics visualizations, data center interiors and server racks, construction cranes and smart building projects, insurance risk mapping and climate visualization graphics, real estate investment platform interfaces, future city concepts and sustainable urban development scenes, mixed-use developments and logistics facilities. Closing montage featuring smart cities and next-generation infrastructure.